Yeah.
Because it's the morning voice too, right? So truly, you can have the best Fuwawa morning that way.
Every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
Sure. Even on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Can you give the ruffians maybe a tiny sample of what a starting voice might be like? Like morning voice.
Morning voice. I just
One.
woke up and I
Wait.
I just started on my own.
3, 2, 1.
Bobo, you're gonna wake me up? No.
That's not a very cute starting voice.
That's not what it's like, you know?
But that's your example.
That's my example.
Question mark.
Moko-chan, what's your example then?
Oh.
It's very different from reality. You'll have to find out. 3, 2. I'm gonna count down.
Okay, count down.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Excuse me. It's time to wake up now.
Oh, it's very different from reality too.
Please wake up now. It's time to wake up now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, you'll have to find out what reality is actually like by checking out the starting voices.
Yeah.
Let us know more about your thoughts with the hashtag Fuwamoko, okay? We'll be looking, so.
Yeah, let us know how you enjoy them too.